Let us show you how we bring a pre-owned Toyota back to like new with Toyota Certified Used Program so that you have the confidence and the peace of mind when buying from Ed Martin Toyota. Because we know that the best new cars make the best used cars. Every Toyota must undergo and pass a 136 multi-point inspection and review of the Carfax before it can qualify as a silver Toyota Certified Used vehicle.
Each vehicle that comes in that becomes a used car has to go through a rigorous inspection. That inspection has to be based on Toyota's specifications to certify that vehicle. Also, each technician who works on it has to be a certain specification on certification level as well. Each vehicle that comes in has to pass both of those standards with the certified technician who is trained to look for those specific concerns before they are certified.
So first things first, what I do is I like to look in the service history and see what kind of history it has. Then I'll go and run a Carfax and take a 5-mile test drive. After that 5-mile test drive, I'll pull it into the shop.
We only use Toyota genuine parts.
So one of the standards that Toyota likes on their certified cars is the tires have to have a certain tread depth, the brakes have to be within a certain pad life left, otherwise we have to replace it. We don't want to sell a vehicle that essentially needs a whole bunch of maintenance right after you buy it.
Let's take a look at the benefits of a silver Toyota Certified Used vehicle.
All of our silver certified vehicles here at Ed Martin Toyota come with a 12-month, 12,000-mile limited powertrain coverage, as well as 12-month, 12,000-mile roadside assistance and a $0 deductible for those two services. They also do come with a free Carfax as well.
The warranties are honored at over 1,400 Toyota dealers in the US and Canada. How do you identify a silver certified vehicle at Ed Martin Toyota? 1, you'll see this sticker right on the windshield. 2, you'll see this certified sticker right on the driver's side window. And 3, the no risk Toyota Certified Pre-Owned license plates on the back. Number 4, when checking our website and you'd like to know which vehicles are certified, you'll see the banner at the bottom and also one in the top right-hand corner. Out of the 136 points, I'm going to highlight just a few that our technicians are trained to go over. Cold engine operation performs properly. The ABS system works properly. Frame and the unibody are in good condition. Our techs check for suspension-related items for wear, leaks, and proper performance. All 4 tires must be the same brand. Brake pad, shoe linings must have a minimum thickness of 50%. Expect the transmission case and the pan for leaks. We go above and beyond a traditional used car inspection. At Ed Martin Toyota, we know that the best new cars make the best used cars.